Kumiswe amalungu ANC amathathu Mangaung Free State ufanile Limo, uPatrick Manyakwane kanye noThonyana Silibedi basola ngokudicela phansi igama leqembu.
Ubuholi be-ANC emkhandlwini Mangaung sebuthathe inyathelo zomthetho ngalolu daba lokuza emva kokuthi kwabakhona ingqungquthela ze-ANC ezimbili ngesikhathi esisodwa ngonyaka owedlule. Asobishini amalungu ahlela lengqungquthela yesibili ye-ANC eyayingaziwa.
I can confirm that I'm suspended with immediate effect, and it's not only me for now. The secretary Thonyana Silibedi and the chairperson Patrick Manyakwane were suspended with immediate effect, pending our attendance to the disciplinary committee. And I must say that we were very shocked with these suspensions.
Laba bobathathu banikwe incwadi zokumiswa emsebenzini ngokusheshsha emva kokukhipha istatement ngaphansi komkhandlu.
What triggered these charges is the statement that we released on the 6th of February, where as the RC, we said and evaluated the report from the provincial conference. We also had views regarding the reshuffling, obviously the Premier and the Executive of Mayor, and we also had the views on the remarks of the President. And in their charges, they are saying we don't respect the decisions of the above structure. We have put the organization into this report.
ANC lesifundazwe ayinanazi ukuthi laba kumele balandele imigomo yeqembu.
Other members felt that they are not going to be part and parcel of the conference and decided to have their own meeting. Now the ANC had issued guidelines for all its branches nationally that what is a process that must be undertaken if we are to hold branch meetings that are going to elect leadership.
Lamalunga misiwe alindeleke ukuba avele phambi kwekomiti lokuqondisa igwegwe khona maduze.
All of us must participate within the framework of those guidelines. So now members decided to go out of or define themselves outside of the ANC processes.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kumiswe amanye futhi amalungu abandakanyekayo kulolu daba. Amanye amalungu omkhandlu avela sezidalele amazinya abushelelezi njengoba ebandakanyeni nestatement esikhishiwe nokuyisona esibangele ukuthi kumiswe amanye amalungu emsebenzini.